In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to the Dropbox dashboard. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the window. Here, type in Dropbox and then press Enter. You will see a list of search results appear on the screen. This step is important because it allows you to access the official Dropbox website, which is where you will log into your account. Next, you need to click on the correct link. Look for the link that says Dropbox and has a web address that starts with www.dropbox.com. This is the official site. Clicking on the correct link is crucial because it ensures that you are on the genuine Dropbox website, keeping your account safe from phishing attempts. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the Dropbox homepage. Now it's time to log into your account. On the Dropbox homepage, you will notice a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. Entering the correct information is essential because it allows you to access your files securely. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Sign In button again to proceed. Congratulations, you've reached the dashboard. Here you should see all the files you have uploaded to your chosen account. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly so you can easily navigate through your files. Alongside your files, you will notice options to create documents and folders. This helps you to organize your contents effectively. Understanding the dashboard is vital because it serves as your central hub for managing all your files and collaboration activities. With these steps completed, you are now ready to utilize Dropbox fully. Remember, the dashboard not only displays your files, but also provides tools to enhance your productivity. You can create new folders for specific projects, share files with others, or manage your account settings. It's a powerful space to streamline your workflow and ensure you have everything you need at your fingertips. In summary, starting from opening your browser to reaching your Dropbox dashboard is a straightforward process. Each step ensures that you securely access your files while keeping your account protected. If you follow these steps carefully, you will find that managing your files in Dropbox becomes much simpler and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your time organizing and collaborating in Dropbox.